Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggito Abimayu and my student ID number is 20291005. I would like to explain the next report projects, that is the America's chaotic new reality over aberrations take shapes. It's basically a law scopes that we are translating today, and I would like to describe the members' job in accomplishing projects. Well, technically, we are work on collecting data of any article which is comprehensive. Of course, we want to take like a very comprehensive article in which we're going to be able to discuss all of that and translate for each member of the group. Abimayu, it's me personally, work on translating the page of 1 and 2 of the article, as well as Fuji work on the translation pages. But I'm going to explain about the second report. The process of collecting data, discussion, presentation, and writing report. Basically, the process of collecting data was aimed to be fully taken in internet source. First, we thought to find any articles to be taken in the project. Then, after some consideration, we tried to find online articles in the internet, and we take this source from the CNN because we think that this is more comprehensive and it is more actual and up to date due to the news. And the process of the presentation will be done in front of the class, but we want to present it in front of the class. We think that it is more effective and it is easier for us to accomplish the presentations. And next presentation will be explained by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wira Naqsya Zikro, and I would like to explain the process of collecting the data, the discussions, presentation, and writing the report. So, the process of collecting the data was aimed to be fully taken in any internet sources. First, we thought to find any articles to be taken in the project. Then, after some consideration, we tried to find some online articles in the internet. The presentation will have been done in front of class because we assume that it's easier and more efficient. And writing the report is done based on our discussions. That's all from me. Thank you very much. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Silviani Febriananda. I will read the next slide. The obstacles you get during collecting data, discussion, presentation, and writing report. Basically, the obstacles of collecting data is to find relatable and consensus articles to translate, and in the process of discussion, we find it a bit harder to find a common ground of the mistake solving.
I am the last speaker will explain about describe the effort to overcome the obstacles. The way we overcome the problem is by discussing mostly, and any error or problem related to the work of the project is done by cross-checking the correction. And sometimes in any changes we try to ask to the people who think is having higher knowledge about translation. Maybe that's all from me.